Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you some apps because Chinese apps are banned. Chinese apps are banned and girls are really worried that from where do we need shopping. And this is a highly requested video because all girls are thinking from where to buy clothes because Shein is banned, Club Factory is banned, Romway is banned. From all the shopping apps from where all the girls and I also shop from are banned. So I have some apps for you. So let's get started with the video and I will show you some apps so that we can shop from there. So guys, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I've tried this new look on me. This is a peacock look. Inspired from the range, I have done this look. And if you want me to do a tutorial on this, please let me know in the comment section below. I will do a tutorial on this if you want. This peacock eyes I have done today. So now guys, let's get started with the video. The first app which I want to talk about is, I will just show you the apps. Okay guys, the first app we will go with is Koovs. You can see. The first app is Koovs, and on Koovs there is always some discounts are going on, and there is men's collection, women's collection, and there's a great casual style collection, and I really like their personal, like Koovs has their own brand, and the clothes of Koovs are very good because I have owned some clothes of there, and the quality is also very good, and the price range is also very reasonable, so you can give it a try. Okay guys, so you can see there are the collection of tops, denim, shoes, dresses, sunglasses, and everything. Like for men there is casual styles and everything is available on this app, and it's a very good app and it's very reasonable also. The shoes and everything, you can see the sandals, everything is very reasonable. You can just they have their sportswear also, so you can just go and check it out on Koovs. So this is also one very nice app for shopping for girls and boys both. You will get sunglasses also, shoes also, and clothes also. Guys, now let's move on to the second app. The second app I was talking about is Ajio. So this app is also very good. This is also very affordable app, and all apps are going on off right now. So they have a very nice collection for men's also, for women's also, and all they have they have nice brands also, Reliance Trends, and very nice brands, the Mothercare, and every like ethnic wear is also very good on Ajio app. So you can just go and check it out. Men's collection, Armani Exchange, Nike, all brands are there, Guess, Levi's, and many more brands. So guys, you can see Only, Baguette. So Ajio is a very good app and they are running on off right now. If you want, you can go and check it out. And this is not a sponsored video at all. I am doing this so that you can buy if you want. The third app is also very good, which I am talking about, is Urbanic Ad. You can see this app. This is also a very nice app. You can get all the summer collection clothing over here, like tops, dresses, t-shirts, and very nice, very casual and very nice collection they have. Party wear, vacation, business, weekend, like every type of collection is there on this Urbanic, and they are not very affordable, and they have plus size also. That's a plus. You can see on Urbanic they have plus size also. People are very much worried because in Shein plus size was available, and mostly brands don't sell plus size. So on this app you will get plus size also. So this brand is also very good for all my girls over there. You can just check this app. They have night suits also, tracks, all casual, nice, very nice blouses they have. I'll just show you. You can see they have denims also, tops also. It's a very good app. You should just look at their apps, and every app is going on discount, so you can just go and check it out. So the next app we will talk about is H&M. All the girls over there just love H&M clothes, and now as we are in lockdown, so we cannot go out, and H&M have their own app. So I will just show you how it looks. You can see they have all the collection, like women collection. You can see this is the app. So they have kids clothes also. If you want to shop for your kids, they have a very nice collection for kids clothes also, because I also take my kids clothes from H&M. So they have a great collection for kids also. You can see. For women also they have great collection. Obviously I don't need to talk about H&M. H&M quality is also very good. They have some dresses also. You can see very nice summer dresses and everything is there on this app. So if you guys don't go out, please shop online only if you want. And please, whenever you're getting something, please properly sanitize it. Keep it out for 2 days, and after that only please use it, guys. If it's not necessary, don't order anything now. So after H&M, H&M have dresses, jumpsuits, everything, accessories. For men's also there is a great collection. I will show you. For men's also there's a great collection of clothes. If you want, you can see. There's a very nice jacket, jackets, coats, t-shirts, everything is available. Accessories, everything is there in H&M app also. So you can go and check it out that also. The next app what I want to talk about. So you can just go, just download this app and you will get everything to see, and it's on sale right now. All the clothes on Zara all are sale. So there are dresses. See, this is on 40% off. This polka dress, you can see. This is properly on 40% off. Very nice collection. This superb fox leather dress. This is only for 1490, and the real price of this is 2790. So very huge discounts are going on, guys. I will show you some more if you want. You can see this fox leather jumpsuit. This is only for 1490 and it has 60% discount on this. The original price of this is 4000, and many more they are having very nice off. So you can just go and check it out. They have shoes collection, bags collection, men's wear is also there. I will just show you. Some men's wear is also there. Basics, t-shirt, men's wear. So you can go and check it out. Zara app, that is also a very nice app for shopping. The next app what I want to talk about is Zivame app. Zivame, everybody must be knowing it. So because as we are home only, so we need night dresses, track pants, suits, everything we need more. So Zivame is almost, now also they are on discounts. You can just go and check it out. Their activewear, nightwear, everything is there, innerwears, everything is available on Zivame. So I really like this app. I really shop from this app only, and it's very affordable also. So if you know your size, you can just go and try this app. Zivame is also very nice app for all this nightwear, innerwear, everything you can buy. Go and buy over here. I'll just show you some things. I'll show you the activewear and nightwear collection. I really love that. You can see this is their nightwear collection. Innerwear, nightwear, activewear, this all are available on Zivame app. So you can go and check it out over there, guys. The next app which I want to talk about is Myntra. Everybody is knowing that app, but I thought I'll just list it down for you. Myntra also has everything. Every brand is available on Myntra. So you can go and just check it out on Myntra. You can just see Myntra is there. Everybody knows this. Amazon, everybody knows it. These are the basic apps. I will not talk this in detail. So this all apps I have shown you, guys. So if you want some more, you can just comment below. I will help you in that. And guys, this all apps are very helpful, and you can just go and check it out. So this all apps, guys, are very helpful, and you can just go and check it out. If Shein is banned, it's okay, guys. It is for our betterment. And we love our India, so we can go. This all apps are also very good, and we can buy from there. I know it was really affordable, but it's okay, guys. It is for betterment of India. So guys, we can shop from this app, and they also really have nice collection of clothes. Okay, guys, I hope this information was useful to you. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. You all are forgetting to give me a thumbs up, guys. You need to give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys, please subscribe to my video. Hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. And bye, guys. Take care. Stay healthy. Bye.